We got a lot of fun stuff going on today with the E36. The rear glass is coming out, carbon wise is coming to start the roof. We're gonna show you guys the process. Let's go.
I got my man's Wise. It's gonna do the overlay carbon on here. What you doing exactly?
So we're sanding it down first, getting it ready for resin, and starting to lay down the resin.
Laying down the resin right now. We're gonna let it dry overnight. We're gonna come back tomorrow, sand it, and make magic happen.
As you guys saw before, Carbon Wise laid out his primer coat. Now the next step I would assume would be to sand this down, make it even, and lay down the carbon fiber sheet, and then lay the resin after. I'm not really sure his process. I'm just telling you guys what I think is gonna happen. So you guys will see within the rest of the video his complete process. If anybody needs any carbon fiber work, definitely reach out to this man. His work is phenomenal. He's done some work for our other customers, and we're very excited right now. And I'm also excited for this. I am not sure where we're gonna be putting them. I kind of drew a mock-up before, thinking something like this, only because this is where the intake is currently sitting. But if I end up going single turbo, we're gonna be somewhere around here. So maybe I double stack the vents, 1, 2, I don't know, but we'll figure it out. But so far, we are making motion on this project now. I am excited again. Just came up with the idea this morning that I'm gonna put bags on it, but I'm still 50-50 on that. I'm trying to find the wheels, so it's either 4 grand on wheels or 4 grand on airbags. You guys let me know which way I should go. Either way, I'm getting wheels. But I'm gonna keep it a buck though. I might be going with Alibaba's. Still, it's a 3-pack for a set of wheels, 3-piece, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Still trying to figure it out. If we go back into the interior is still not stripped. I'm gonna have my man Q take apart the rest of this interior later. I gotta send all this shit out. Still so much to do with this car. We're still waiting on the approval from SEMA. I am in talks with a couple different companies. I'm hoping I get accepted, and if I do, this might be the last video that you guys see of this car until SEMA, because we are not allowed to show the work up until. So you guys will have an insane build series. And if we don't get approved, you guys get to enjoy the build with us day by day and watch it grow. So we show you guys a lot of projects that we do on our own personal cars. But let me show you guys a little bit what's going on in the shop today. We got this C63 here. It's coming in for a front right strut replacement. Got a WRX over there that's came in for an alignment. We got some really cool cars going on in the back. I'll show you guys them in a few. Yanni's looking for me. Let me go see what he wants.
Wide body's here, baby. Been waiting for this thing for like 3-4 months.
Oh, yeah.
That's way bigger than I was expecting it to be.
Bro, that's fire.
That
is gonna be sick.
This is what for the E36?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
You know what that means, right? We gotta order spacers.
The wheels aren't big enough.
Spacers.
Or I gotta run like a 12-inch wheel.
Yo, look, they put the perfect circle on the inside of the fender so you know where to cut for the fender exit.
Oh, yeah. That shit is retarded. Impossible it's that big. How big is the rear?
Oh, bro, that's even bigger.
This is for the, oh my god. I don't think I know what I was doing. I think I ordered the wrong kit.
I think you ordered the right kit.
This is the rear door. Party the subframe. Full body shop. Get the job. Tell them you guys don't know what the hell you're doing. Or the car ended up inside my shop. Because I know what the hell I'm doing. Yeah, going back.
That's definitely big.
Ordered an over fender kit. It was supposed to be 35 millimeters in the front, 55 millimeters in the rear, and it ended up being like 700 millimeters in the rear and like 500 millimeters in the front. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. The wheels that I ordered for this thing no longer work because I ordered them to spec for what I thought I ordered.
When he wasn't looking, I actually went in and changed the order on him. We figured go big and go home.
Hey, you see this?
Yo, this looks amazing.
My whole plan for the car just changed completely.
You
Like,
just
whatever I
went-
thought I was doing to this car just changed. I think this is wider than the LTO kit. Am I bugging? What do you think? Look, LTO doesn't even make a back bumper. They make an extension. I'm making a back bumper. And I'm making a front bumper. Extended. I'm about to go buy an extra front bumper and an extra rear bumper and just cut the ends off and extend them out. I'm gonna do some sick shit. This completely changed the direction of the project. And I don't know now if I want to rush it for SEMA because I had a vision and it was a clean E36 shell, something that I could throw my kids in the back. That's why I went to sedan because I wanted a family toy so I can start bringing my kids out with me. My E46, I put my daughter in the back seat and she looked, I mean, she was a little baby and she looked like she was Bomax in the back seat. So now this car, I have different ideas running through my head for it right now. So as far as the interior is still gonna stay the same. My idea there not changing. Now I'm even thinking of changing the color because there's so much body going on. You know, like the color that we chose originally was for a more sleeker, cleaner look. Now we're going big. So the color that we were gonna go with was Sepang metallic. And it kind of made sense for the car because the car is imported from Thailand and Sepang is a racetrack in South Asia just on the outskirts of Thailand. So that's kind of why I went with the color. And now I feel like it's very similar to this color right here. This is not Sepang, but it's in the brown family. So it's similar to this, but I don't know. I feel like this car needs a red, a yellow, a blue. Who's that guy that does the E30, that does the BMW whistle? And does the damn, but what's this guy's name? If I remember who this guy's name, I'm gonna tag him over here. He does BMW reviews and he just did E36 reviews about colors for the E36 and how back in the day when people were talking about the individuals and they were way more exclusive. He's right because back then the world was vibrant. Now everything is freaking black and white. Look at McDonald's. McDonald's was a playhouse. Now it looks like a freaking luxury building you're gonna go live in. You know what I'm saying? Like, this car needs to stand out. It can't look like every other car. And this wide body is definitely 100%. I mean, I'm gonna turn shit up with this car. I like attacking the old platforms because I'm able to take the old bodies that I like and bring the modernization of the new car style into it. So these are things that I wanted to build when I was younger and I wasn't able to do. So with the support of everybody that's been coming to the shop and allowing us to work on your cars, you guys are allowing us to build these fun projects and bring Natropia to the new generation. You know, it's like me as an OG. You know. You know, I gotta tell the kids how to do it, how to build their cars. You know, I gotta tell them do this, do that. You know, let them look how we do cars. Let them read a couple of forums, watch a couple of YouTube videos. I let them shine 360 Motorsports. You know, and show them how to do it. Quick fact: the roof is a carbon fiber overlay. It's not a real carbon roof. So before everybody in these comments starts talking shit that it's a real carbon fiber roof. It's real carbon fiber, but it's carbon fiber overlay. So, I mean, I'm just keeping it a buck from the jump. But this is OEM BMW carbon fiber weave. there's no direction in it. It's just straight. So this is the same exact weave that's on the G82s, the G80s, the new M4s, the new M3s, the same exact weave. So I'm trying to bring new BMW Motorsports to old BMW Motorsports. So I'm taking the old, taking the new, I'm bringing it together, and I'm creating fire.
This is gonna be a remix of the Urus.
50-50. What do you mean?
The Urus. Molded body kit and wide body.
Wide body.
Going crazy with it.
We did our Urus. It was 1880 or 1882, whatever. We spent like $30,000 on a wide body kit for the Urus and put it on. And was just glued to the body. Got bored of it, and then we said, "Screw it, we're gonna mold it in." So we molded in the whole entire body kit, but we molded in fenders to bumpers, quarter panels to rear bumper. Like it's a sleek look. And we painted it white. Got tired of it white. Now the car is matte black. We haven't posted on the page. We don't really post the car much, but I'll post a picture of it here. Crazy. I wanted to preserve. Yanni, where's the hammer? Any hammer. So I wanted to preserve these fenders originally because I thought it was an over fender kit that I bought. But since I'm not,
Get these fenders off the car. Nah, they ain't coming off the car.
it's still bolted on. For another time. I'll take it off another time. But kick it.
How